Hello everyone, my name is Ravenshea Atmoko. I'm from the 471 Junior High School, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a kite. This video is made for the ECD in BANTUL. First of all, we need the materials and the tools for the kite. So, first of all, you need sticks, right? A lot of sticks. Doesn't matter where you get them from, you just need a lot of sticks. Different sticks, different lengths, you get the idea. After you have the sticks, you need the tools for the kite. These include a scissor, a roll of tape, some glue, where is it? Here it is. A cutter, some cotton string. Remember, not plastic string or rope or anything like that. Cotton string, a board marker, a ruler, and just some regular old markers. All right, these are the stuff that you need, and also cardboard. Sorry, almost forgot that. Anyways, I forgot one thing. It's this thing. You know what this is? Plastic. All right. The main material for our kite is going to be plastic. All right. We're gonna make it out of plastic. So unfortunately, the time constraints on this video are way too short for me to explain any of the cool details and stuff. So over here, you can see that behind me, I have a slightly suspiciously eagle-looking kite frame. All right. This is the kite. This is the frame for our kite. You may take a look at it quickly. All right, just take a look at it. Center, left wing, right wing. You may pause the video here, don't worry. And this is the tail. All right. Now I'm gonna give a quick overview of this this kite frame. So first of all, this part that I'm holding right here, with my right hand holding, that's the backbone of the kite, and it is 70 centimeters long. So from here to here, 70 centimeters. Next, this bend stick that goes from side to side, as you can see here, what my hands are holding. This stick, when you unbend it, will be 80 centimeters in length. All right. Then these two sticks right here, the ones that I'm holding right now, which make up the wing, individually, they are 100 centimeters. So 100 centimeters here, and another 100 there. And Aiden, you might be asking, what about the wings and the tails? Well, that's up to you, all right? There's not enough time in this video. And so you shape the wings according to your liking. You shape the tail according to your liking. What's important is that you make it like an eagle, because if an eagle can fly, so can an eagle-shaped kite. And I think that's it for the frame, really. Okay, hold on. Look, there's this building technique I want to show you. This rope here, it's connected to these two sticks, but it itself is connected to these sticks as well. So this is connected to the rope, it's connected to more sticks. Same with the other wing as well. Just keep symmetry, believe in yourself, and you're gonna be able to make the kite. Now it's time to move on to the plastic. Okay guys, yeah, here's the plastic with the kite frame on it. As you can see, it has already been taped and glued. How exactly? I'll tell you. First of all, before there was any tape and glue, we had to use a big weight to press down the kite frame. After we pressed down the kite frame with the big weight, we taped it and then glued it to the plastic. And then we were able to take the big weight off. And after these steps, what we're gonna do is that we're going to cut out the plastic, just like that, then fold in this extra plastic onto the wing, onto the structure and all that stuff. And then once we have folded it, we're going to attach a head to this kite, like an eagle head, and some string, and it should be good to go. So I'll just go ahead and start cutting. There we go. Really, just cut it out carefully. Don't like mess up the plastic. So hopefully your kite should fly. Okay viewers, so this is the last part to our kite. As you can see, everything has been folded and glued after it has been cut. So really, we just have to do this last step somehow Just gotta put the glue here. Once you have glued it, you're gonna just lay it flat and spread it. Then you guys just have to fold it up into the kite as best as you can. Done! The kite's done! Finally! It took maybe like 4 or 5 hours. Doesn't matter. That's it from me. I'm Ravenshea Atmoko from 47 Junior High School. See you in the next one.